When people think of the Rolling Stones, they think of raw British rock. But peel back the layers of their swagger, and you'll find a deeper truth. The soul of Black America echoed through every note. Before Mick Jagger ever howled a lyric, Howlin' Wolf had already set the standard. Written by Willie Dixon, Little Red Rooster wasn't just a song, it was Black Southern blues embodied. The Stones covered it in 1964. It became a hit. But Howlin' Wolf, he never saw a fraction of that fame or fortune. Then there's I'm a King Bee, a swampy, sultry tune birthed by Slim Harpo, his original, raw blues, the Stones version, a rock debut that set their early identity. Irma Thomas, known as the Soul Queen of New Orleans, brought warmth and strength to Time Is on My Side. A year later, the Rolling Stones recorded it. Their version, a hit, hers, barely acknowledged. Love in Vain came from Robert Johnson, the blues legend who sold his soul at the crossroads. The Stones recorded it decades later, but without Johnson's haunting phrasing, the song loses its soul. You Gotta Move, another deep Delta classic, first laid down by Mississippi Fred McDowell, the Stones added polish. Fred brought pain and gospel fire. Jagger and Richards have acknowledged their blues inspirations, but acknowledgement doesn't erase erasure. For every stadium they filled, a Black originator went unheard, unpaid, unseen. This is Stolen Soundtracks, where we uncover the rhythm, the resistance, and the reality behind the biggest hits in music history. Join us on YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe to the Black History Vault Behind the Music, because the truth deserves a mic.